In this series of videos, Compliance Assurance provides instructions on completing the documentation required for visible emissions observation. The focus of this video is Method 9. Additional videos will cover the other methods. This video provides an introduction and background information about the form and this series of videos. There are 4 types of readings that use the Method 9 Visible Emission Observation form. They include compliance monitoring, news source performance testing, third-party readings, and enforcement readings. In this video series, we will focus on Method 9 compliance monitoring and news source performance testing, as well as what to expect in the enforcement documentation. There is no standard form for completing Method 9 observations. However, the form must include the required elements of Method 9 to be considered a valid Method 9 observation. Here are some examples of the VEO form. Your company may have its own version. This is a form used during the 1970s and one developed in the 1980s. We will be using this form as an example for our instructions. The most important thing to remember when completing the VEO form is accuracy. Accurate data recording is vital when performing Method 9 observations. Care should be taken when filling out the form to ensure the information is correct and complete. We recommend that a second person review the form to ensure accuracy and completeness before final submission. We will address the Method 9 VEO form in 9 parts: form identification, company or facility identification, operation type, what process and control equipment are being used, emission descriptions, environmental conditions, source sketch layout, the data table that contains your observations, observer information, and form interrelation. We'll cover what information is typically the same from reading to reading and therefore can be filled in ahead of time. We will also explain what information can never be filled out in advance. Continue watching this video series to learn about each section in detail.